Okay, here we go. Video number 2, 10 week 10, whatever. On page 36 again. Okay, page 36. Samship page tashi. Page 36, arejo. Okay, arejo. How many sensing verbs are there? Sensing verbs. Page 36, Samship page, sensing verbs. What is a sensing verb? It's a verb that goes with, look at this. How many sensing verbs are there? There are 5 sensing verbs. No, they're not. There are many. These are the 5 basic sensing verbs. Basic sensing verbs. Okay, you see, you hear, you smell, you touch, you taste. Sorry, sleepy. You see, we can hear, we can look at the chart. Okay, look at the chart. You see the eye, you see the ear. To the right. 왼쪽. To the right. We can see, we can hear, we can smell, we can touch, we can taste. Okay, 5 human senses. There's touch, hearing, tasting, smelling, and seeing. Okay, 5 human senses. That's the sensing verbs. Okay, what's a sensing verb? Tame. Okay, 5 sensing verbs. Oops. Nope. Get back up there. Where am I? Yeah. Okay. Oh, hey. About this. What am I thinking? Oh. No. Okay. Sensing verbs. Okay, page 36. 5. 가치의 감각동사. Okay. Sensing verb. 뭐예요? 가지의 감각동사. Hopefully that's right. I'm not good at Korean, so don't trust me. Okay, here's a short list. What is a short list? A short list is, okay, 다시. There are 5 basic sensing verbs. 5 basic sensing verbs. But really there are many words that are used as sensing verbs. Okay, many. Okay, but here's a few common: to feel, to touch, to look, to see, to watch, to hear, to sound, to taste, to smell. Okay, to feel, touch, look. These are common. This is a short list. This is a short list. There are still many other words that are used as sensing verbs. Okay, this is a short list. Okay, let's say short list. You're in your office. What do you have to work on today? My short list for working today is I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to go there, I have to do talk to who, I have to do. That's a short list. That's the quick list. If I have extra time, and then I'll start doing other things. Okay, a short list you can use in many different situations, environments, or whatever. Okay. Okay, 아래쪽. Why use in the purple? Why use sensing verbs? Why do people use sensing verbs in writing and in speaking? Well, it gives a quick, clear picture of your thinking. Okay? What does it sound like? What's it look like? What's it taste like? What's it smell like? Okay? Sensing verbs gives people a quick, clear picture of what you're thinking. Okay. Tame, next. Sensing verbs, page 36. Page 36, yeah, several. Oh, okay. In the orange, up at the top, in the orange. Sensing verbs equal. Sense verbs equal. Sensory verbs. Different textbooks, different teachers will tell you different names for this. Okay. But, okay, the textbook here says sensing verbs. So we will use sensing verbs. But sensing verbs is the same. Sense verbs is the same. Sensory verbs. Okay? Just different words for it, but the same meaning. Pink. In the pink. Sensing verbs are used with nouns plus with adjectives. Okay? Sensing verbs are used with nouns. Sensing verbs are used with adjectives. Nouns, 名词. Adjectives, 用用词. Okay, here, this one, with, in the blue. With nouns, sensing verbs are used to compare two things, two nouns. When you use sensing verbs, you're comparing one noun with another noun, okay? Oh yeah, time to go to sleep. Sensing verbs compare one noun with a different noun, but it helps to give a clear, okay, in the book, using sensing verbs with a noun can clearly, vividly give a picture of your thinking, okay, in the black. Using sensing verbs with a noun can clearly, vividly give a picture of your thinking. Vividly. What's vivid? Vividly. Vividly means a strong, a fresh, a detailed image, a detailed picture of what you're thinking about. Okay? Not this. Okay? Move your ugly picture, please. Okay, Yogi. Some people who hear Hagum. Hagum, 알아요? Some people who hear Hagum say it sounds like a screaming cat. Okay? Do you know what Hagum is? Well, look at the picture. What is she playing? What musical instrument is she playing? Okay, it's a Korean Hagum. Okay, and here's the cat. And here's Lee Seung-hee, not Lee Sun-hee. Oh, are they sisters? Ooh, that's cool. Lee Seung-hee. Oh, 자매. No, 동생, 누나. Yeah, sisters. I don't know. They're both in music. That'd be cool. Yeah, is she? I don't know. Wow. Okay, Hagum. What does Hagum sound like? Well, here. Listen to this one. What do you think? Does Hagum sound like a cat? I don't know. What do you think? You know what Hagum is? You know what a cat is? Sound the same? Is that a cat or a Hagum?
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Sound like a cat?
4, 5,
What do you think?
7, 8. 1, 2,
Same thing?
3, 4,
Okay,
5,
listen to the cat again. Hold on. Wait. Do you think a Hagum sounds like a cat?
7, 8, 2, 4, 5.
It's a cat. I don't know. Okay. Where are we? Sensing verbs compare one noun, 명사, with a different noun. Yes. To compare two things, you're comparing one noun with another noun. Okay. If you're using a sensing verb with a noun, you have to have two nouns, two different nouns in the sentence. Okay. It gives I don't know, using the nouns, it gives a picture, a vivid picture of what you're talking about. Maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Okay, notice. Notice what? There. Okay. Sensing verbs compare one noun with a different noun. You're comparing two nouns. Remember, sensing verbs in the sentence you must have two nouns or one adjective. Okay? Okay, but notice in the big blue, in the pink, sensing verb with nouns you need like in the sentence. Look down at the red, dark red. Some people, 문장. Some people who hear Hagum say it sounds like. Sounds like. Hagum is the noun. Hagum 명사입니다. Cat 명사입니다. Sounds like. Well, that's the sensing verb. 가지의 감각동사. Hagum입니다. Okay? Hagum sounds like a cat. Okay? Using sensing verbs with a noun can clearly, vividly. What is vividly? That's a good word. That's a common word. That's a good English 형용사. Vividly means strong, fresh, detailed image. You're thinking about something, you describe it exactly, vividly. Okay, it gives your friend, it gives the person you're talking to a clear, exact picture, a strong picture of what you are thinking, or maybe what's your opinion. Tame. Oops. Okay, here we move again. How about over here? Okay. Okay, 다시. Oh, okay. Examples. Okay, comparing two nouns to give your opinion of something, maybe. Okay, notice you have to use like. 명사 plus like plus 명사. Okay, this perfume smells like vanilla. Perfume 명사. Vanilla 명사. Okay, here vanilla is 명사. Okay, not 형용사. Okay, tame. Number 2, you look like. You look like a clown dressed in those clothes. Dressed in those clothes. Yeah. But you here, you is 명사. Look like, sensing verbs. A clown. 명사입니다. Okay? Yeah, okay. It's too loud. Number 3, turn the purple. That sounds like water dripping on the kitchen floor. What is the verb? Or which one is the 명사? Which one is that? That. Okay, that is, here is, you're talking about a 명사. Water is 명사, water dripping. Water dripping. Here is a noun phrase. Okay. Water dripping. Okay. It's a thing. Water dripping is a thing. Okay. Yes, it's a sound. Yes, it's a verb. It's an action. But here, water dripping. What is that? Oh, it is water dripping. Yeah. 다시, that sounds like water dripping. Okay. 마지막, you look so much like my father. It's unbelievable. You is the 명사. My father, 명사. Look like. Aha. Look like the sensory verb, page 36. Okay. Notice. So much. Put an emphasis word between the verb and like. Increase. Make your English sound good. Make your English sound like, oh, I speak English. I speak Englishy. Whatever. 다음에 sensing verbs, page 36. Yeah, sensing verbs are also used with adjectives. Adjectives, 형용사. With nouns, sensing verbs compare. But using sensing verbs with adjectives describes. It tells about something. It describes. What does it look like? How big is it? What color is it? Whatever. Okay. Describe. Sensing verb with adjectives. Adjectives, 형용사. Describes something. Okay. His singing sounds awful. Awful, 형용사입니다. Sounds, the sensing verb. Okay, his singing, he's talking about, oh, my dad, he can't sing. Yuck, it sounds awful. I'll tell him to go practice outside. Ah. Okay, number 2, in the blue. Number 2, in the blue. This cake tastes so heavenly. This cake, yeah, 명사. Tastes, heavenly. 전국, 전국. Oh, heaven, heavenly. Heavenly 형용사입니다. Heaven, heaven 명사입니다. Heavenly 형용사. Okay, okay. This cake tastes so very heavenly. Okay, so very. Same thing here. 다음에 number 3 in the blue. The meat smells horrible. It's been sitting out too long. The meat smells horrible. 냄새. Yeah, look at the picture. Is that meat any good? What's that green stuff? It's growing. Yeah, whatever. The meat smells horrible. And 마지막, all the children are looking too tired. All the children are looking. Ooh, smells, taste, ing, 동의사요. All the children are looking too tired. Okay, the verb, it can be S 없어요. It can be ing. It can be many things. Okay, sensing verb is a verb. Okay, looked tired. Sure, why not? Yesterday you looked tired. It's a sensing verb. Yes, past tense. Okay, 다음에. I don't remember how much we got for this. In the green, look at the green. Using sensing verbs with adjectives. It describes. Okay, describes. 형용사 같이 describe something. Sensing in the pink, the blue and pink. Sensing verb with nouns. Plus, like. Plus, like. Okay, noun, what you're talking about. Sensing verb plus like plus noun. Okay, You're comparing two nouns. Okay, you're talking about one thing. You're describing it. You're telling your opinion by using another noun. 진짜. Okay. 다음에. What is this? Examples. Oh, okay. Just more examples. More examples. I don't know why. I don't know. Did I do that? Ali, your father looks like Santa Claus with his long white beard. Your father, 명사, Santa Claus, 명사, looks like. Okay, perfume, smells like flowers. Perfume, 명사, flowers, 명사, smells like. This meat tastes like dog food. This meat tastes like. Do you eat dog food? Dog food. 먹었어요? How do you know it tastes like dog food? That's a common. This tastes like dog food. That's a common expression. Have you ever eaten dog food? I don't know. Pink, 마지막. Samoyed dogs look like big snowballs. Samoyed dogs. Samoyed dog. Okay, Samoyed here, 형용사. Dogs, 명사. Samoyed dogs, noun phrase here. Okay, Samoyed dogs look like big snowballs. Snowballs, 명사입니다. In the green, looks like, smells like, tastes like, feels like, handles like, sounds like, stinks like. All kinds of lots and lots of sensing verbs, not just 5 basic, okay? And at the bottom, at the 아래쪽, in the blue, you look tired. The new rock band sounds excellent. Sounds excellent. Korea's East Sea seawater always feels warm. Seawater always feels warm. Feels warm. Costco birthday cakes taste luscious. Luscious. Oh, 맛있어요. Look at that big cake. Oh, it just makes you hungry. Luscious. Many students, they use delicious. Well, lush. Here's delicious. Luscious is up here. Oh, excellent. 마지막. Oh, that fish market smells disgusting. Disgusting. 형용사입니다. Okay, okay. Next. Oh, okay. The last video, your homework, okay, from page 37. These answers are from page 37, okay. 시험 동안, maybe 필요해요, okay. Yeah, during the exam, use your book, sure. Number 1, at 4 p.m., well, you got the answers, okay. Here's the answers, page 37. And, but, and, but, and. Okay? In the book, in the textbook. 써요. 시험 동안 필요해요. Pause it. Write them in your book. Write down the sentences. I don't care. 다음에. Okay. Here's the other. Yeah, 맞아. Page 37. Okay. 다시. This is page 37. 다음에. This is page 37. 시험 동안 필요해요. Maybe. Sentence matching. The answers, page 37. Okay. He doesn't look like a student or a teacher. This tastes like a potato, but it's really a pumpkin. It's really a pumpkin. 문장입니다. This tastes like a potato. 문장입니다. But make one sentence. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Question number 5. That restaurant's food tastes delicious. And the service is good too. Oops, there's a comma there. Is that right? Number 5, is that right? Let's see. That restaurant's food tastes delicious. 운전입니다. The service is good too. The service is good too. What do you mean? The service is good too. Is that a sentence? Does number five in the orange, in the brown, number 5, and the service is good too. The service is good too. 문장입니까? No. That's why you have a comma. The service is good too. You have to have something before the service. So, and. Okay. Okay, 다음에. You can copy these. Ooh, 마지막. Oops. Ooh, your big face. Here. Okay. Opera. 이거 추석부 숙제. 추석부, send me attendance. Did you watch this? I don't know if you did, unless you send me some answers. I don't care if you send D, you send C, you send B. Tell me you watched this. Opera sounds boring. I think beer tastes bitter. Fireworks. What? 마지막. Oh, this countryside. Oh, it looks like a beautiful picture. Wow, so beautiful. I want to paint a picture. Yep. Okay. 더 있어요? No. Bye-bye.